The artist Marc Rees chose 12 objects from the Carmarthen County Museum to represent the 12 themes of the theatre project Tir Sir Gâr. This is the story of one of those objects. The object representing the theme market is a set of embroidered pockets. These pockets are made from cotton or linen on wool, on which we see images of birds and intricate patterns. The name Mary Davis is on both pockets, and it was Mary's descendants who gave this item to Carmarthen Museum in the 1920s. According to the family, Mary was a trader at Carmarthen Market. Mary Davis's family believed she worked at the market around 1790. But following expert research, it seems that pockets like these were more likely made and worn around 1830. Unfortunately, there is no official record which states exactly what it was Mary Davis sold, but the curiously different sizes of the pockets, with one noticeably bigger than the other, does offer up some interesting points of discussion. One pocket seems somewhat more worn than the other, which suggests that it was often full, and copper coins of the day were very heavy. The family recorded that the pockets were one for copper, one for silver, but for some reason the letters S and I appear on both, the old symbol for silver. According to Carmarthen Museum, it is therefore possible that one pocket was copied directly from the pattern of the other, possibly to replace another which was damaged or broken. These pockets would have been worn underneath the owner's clothing, and considering that these were times before safe modern banking, it would have been in people's interests to keep their money about their person. The market in Carmarthen dates back to Roman times. It is said that as long as there has been a town here, people have met to trade.